Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A farmer was sowing his field with hemp seeds, while a swallow and some other birds sat on the fence watching him. "Beware of that man," said the swallow solemnly. "Why should we be afraid of him?" asked the other birds. "That farmer is sowing hemp seed," replied the swallow. "It is most important that you pick up every seed that he drops. You will live to regret it if you don't." But of course, the silly birds paid no heed to the swallow's advice. So with the coming of the spring rains, the hemp grew up. And one day the hemp was made into cord, and of the cord nets were made. And many of the birds that had despised the swallow's advice were caught in the nets made of the very hemp that was grown from the seeds they had failed to pick up. The name of the story, The Swallow's Advice. The moral: unless the seed of evil is destroyed, it will grow up to destroy you. The second story. There was once a fisherman who enjoyed playing on the bagpipes as much as he did fishing. He sat down on the river bank and played a gay tune, hoping that the fish would be attracted and jump ashore. When nothing happened, he took a casting net, threw it into the water, soon drew it forth, filled with fish. Then as the fish danced and flopped about in the net on the shore, the fisherman shook his head and said, "Since you did not dance when I piped, I will have none of your dancing now." The name of the story, The Fisherman Piping. The moral: to do the right thing at the right season is a great art. Now, daily motivational quote. Learn to light a candle in the darkest moments of someone's life. Be the light that helps others see. This is what gives life the greatest significance. Roy T. Bennett. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.